Hello everyone, this is Amir from FRAMINGSTOry. Today I will edit two photos with action which I will provide you link, and I will make it cinematic look with this action and overlay. Let's make it. At first we will install this action. You have to just double click on the action and it will automatically appear in your action section. You can get the action from here. I have just clip it on here to make it fast. You have to just run the action. This is really simple. Let's check the before and after effect. Now I will add overlay. Just simply drop it here. Okay. And from here we will set the lighten or skin. Both will work. I will reduce the opacity around 20 to 25. Let's see how does it work with lighten. This is also cool. Now we'll see before and after. This is really cool and exciting. You have to remember one thing, you have to choose the photo. It's outdoor or indoor, doesn't matter. You have to choose the photo in dark tone or low light. It will work better with low light. Now we will go to another image, and this one is outdoor photo. At first we have to just run the action. Let's check the before and after effect. This is already looking very cool. Now we'll place the overlay here. You can place the overlay horizontal or vertical, in both way, whichever you like to apply. Screen, make it around 20 or 25. If you think it doesn't look with your photo, just rotate it. Now let's check. This is really cool. You can check with other option also, lighten, and you can adjust the opacity as your requirement. Now we'll check the before and after effect. How does it look? This is really fantastic. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes to get this effect. So for this kind of tutorial, stay with us and you can leave your feedback how it is going with your photo. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.